welcome back, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. I'm sorry, I'm not sure where Zen is, but he'll be here shortly. So don't worry, guys. But yes, if you are new here, we are Road Chorus. That means we are a team of two developers from Melbourne, and we are working on an open source project which relates to adding persistent storage through Scrumler.ca. So you might be wondering what we were doing yesterday. I'll go ahead and walk us through the Jira board and see where we at from that. I'll give Zen a text. Let's see where he is. Uh, Great. Right.
Everything okay?
Oh, hey Zen, how's it going?
Mm, you are okay?
Yes, I am.
Can you hear me?
Your
Brilliant.
voice is a bit mumbled from me, and I can't see you. Oh, wait, I can now.
Just bear with me for a minute. I've got this wires flying everywhere across my desk. Come on, man. There we go. Yo, geezers, what's happening?
Jesus isn't here.
Oh, okay. Jesus, my bad. I'll take the word. Oh, you can be the geezer as well.
Yeah, no, for sure.
What's happening, geezer?
Pretty good. How are you? But yeah, I
Very
was
well.
telling the users about um what we're doing yesterday and what are our goals today.
Perfect. Sounds like a great plan.
Mhm. Yep.
Cool. So I'll open up Jira.
Yep.
Yeah, I don't know why, but whenever I try and connect a GoPro to OBS, causes me a bit of an issue, and
Mhm.
that takes the entire time to actually come in the stream.
Yeah. No, I get what you mean.
Right, am I sharing my screen? I'm not sharing my screen. Okay, there we go. That's the password. How's your day been?
Hmm? Pretty good actually. I was just had a assignment for 24 hours.
Ah,
Um,
wow.
yeah.
How did that go?
Pretty good, pretty good. It was on Docker and stuff. So
Right. I see.
yeah. Doing well.
Are you doing Docker still or not?
No, I already finished it. I just looked up in the documentation. It was so easy.
Ah, right. Did you text me about that?
Yeah, I did.
Did you?
No, that's fine. Yeah, I did. I did.
Really?
Yep.
Because I had this text but didn't really see who was it from. And then I just said that I'll take my time because I was a bit busy at that moment.
Yeah.
But it was
You
you. Ah.
probably save my number. It's better for communication.
Um, yeah. So next time if that happens, if you can also send me, as in the time that you need to get it done by, because my evenings are normally, except the weekends, in the weekdays, the evenings are normally a bit busy, so I can arrange my schedule according to that
No,
as
that's
well.
good. I was able to do it. So yeah,
Okay, cool.
yeah, it's fine.
Yeah, I
I
need
thought like
to.
I could just use a second opinion on if I was doing it right.
Okay, I see.
Mm.
Now, sorry, man. Actually,
That's
what
all.
I'm gonna do is save your number right now. Because
Yes.
then I'm pretty sure that this old
Viewers might
age,
think that we stream together and we still don't have numbers.
this is embarrassing now, to be honest.
Okay.
Save.
I don't have your number saved, but I remember your number for some reason now. It ends with 161750.
Wow, you don't even have my number. At least I've got your number and I just haven't saved it yet.
No, I mean I text you on WhatsApp, right? So I have it, but
Right,
like
right, I see.
yeah, I've seen it so many times that it's just like
Memorized it. Perfect. Now I've saved your numbers, so I'll assume that whenever you text me, it's a bit uh, urgent, is it?
yeah.
Okay,
No,
cool.
it was fine. Next time I'll tell you how urgent it is.
Yes, if you can, please, and because I normally don't treat text as
Yeah.
urgent, so if a person needs me urgently, they just basically call me, and I'm
Yeah.
like, yeah, what's up? Yeah. So yeah, man, sorry about that.
That's all good. All right, let's jump back to it.
All right, cool. So we were doing the validation of the API and we did the get board. So we still have to test this. So I want
Yeah.
to test the get board. Just open up my VS Code. There we not that one. Yeah, applications. Okay, cool. There we go. So what? Get a particular board, right? So we're gonna was this deployed or did we deploy this? I'm gonna have a look. Shall I?
Yep. Yep.
Get the boards. Okay, and if I choose this ID,
So
then we're
many.
doing, yeah, one, right. So it does, so that didn't work.
What didn't work?
If that isn't there, then if
What do you
board
mean?
ID is not param. So if I just do this, I'm just trying to check if the board ID isn't given. Right.
Try
Clearly
adding one,
that.
two. Try adding one, two.
Hmm?
Try adding one. Also, that's special characters, so I don't think so that can go through.
Yeah, that's going through as well. Let me check. $79. Get bored. Why is this saying okay?
Hmm. Go
Should
to
have
the go back
come in
to
okay.
support.
So this is
Not
this
this
is
one.
it. Board ID. Board ID isn't there. It's not there.
See,
Then we're
if
simply
you
doing.
give it a null, it's automatically gonna go to just board, not this one. If you give it a null, it's gonna go to get all boards.
But I'm giving it a empty string as well.
Yeah, do it. Interesting. Is that single colons or double colons or double?
I've
Right.
done both, but they both don't work.
Okay, go back.
Um, we wouldn't need
It's
this.
not working because there is something in board ID, right? What you are checking is that this condition would never be true, the line 57 condition. If nothing's there in the params, it's automatically gonna go to um, the other one, the get all boards. So this condition is never going to be true.
See, you're saying if we don't provide the board, if it's only this part there,
Hmm.
then it will always go to this one.
Yes. Or if like it's not about that, it's about line 57 would never be true. Tell me one instance where line 57 could be true. Okay. How about
Okay, yeah, got it.
no.
Got it.
Wait. Then
Got it.
go back to Postman.
I understand it now.
No, I want to try something. Yeah, go back to
Okay.
Postman. Do double forward slash. No, only one more. Yeah, yeah, do it now. Go to body. Right, so okay, it's giving this. Okay, right.
So the problem here is what I think is that it's finding this part is saying that if this part is board ID as a string is not in request params, okay?
Yeah, but it
Which
always
means
is.
mhm.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, exactly right. Like that thing is never going to be true.
Yeah, yeah, true. So what we probably should put in here is the variable itself, I think, or not.
Sure, yeah.
Just
I don't
trying
know
to
how that.
think. Um, so hang on. All we're checking is if this board ID hasn't got a value.
Hmm.
So basically that doesn't even apply here
Yep.
because that wouldn't
That'll
be true.
automatically take to another function. So
So what basically we need to do is because this will always be true. As in
yes.
this will always come here.
Hmm. Even if it's some random ID,
Exactly.
or
Exactly.
or actually go back to Postman. Okay, write note after this. No. Do double forward slash only. Yeah, and wait, do it. Um, right. Yeah. See, so that
Hmm.
one works because now it's an empty
Yes.
code ID.
Exactly. But
Okay.
that
Yeah. Go back. Um.
hang on, I
So what you
just
need to yeah,
mhm.
what you need to do is that see when you are doing a get function, either you get it or you not. That's literally all it is.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Like either it's gonna be in the database or you return a 404. So just see if it's in the database, then do rest status 200, or if it's not, just do rest status 404 and send it. with a error message.
So we'll probably have to do a here that I'm just thinking that why do we even have to go in the database and check it? Can't we just do it before that?
Check what? Sorry,
If
you
the
can't.
board is present or not.
You have to check if it's present in a database. So you have to go inside the database to check.
No. So what I'm saying is, say the user doesn't know the board name or the board ID.
User will never get to know these things.
They would get to know the board name because
Yeah.
they're going to choose a board name themselves, isn't it?
Yes, but we are right now doing get board by ID. Don't need to worry about name.
Ah, yeah, you're right. Stop making these complicated than they would be, Zane. If was there actually not that one. If so, board will be an object. So which would be, how do you check if the object is there or not? Object is present or not. Check if object exists. Is not, no, I don't need you. Type of, maybe it's not undefined. Cool. This is what we need.
Hmm?
So I would say
Yeah,
my key.
before going into the database, you can check things like if the length of the board ID is right, if it's only alphanumeric characters, things like these, before even going inside the database.
So repeat that.
Before even going inside the database,
Yeah.
check that the board ID which is coming in, it should be of 16 characters. It should be only alphanumeric.
So basically, Regis expression.
Yeah. See, if it's 5 characters, there's no point even going inside the database.
Mm-hmm.
That's just a
Yeah,
waste of just
that's
filling
true.
it. So
Yeah, that's basically true.
check the base conditions first.
So, if string only contains keyboard, string only contains alphanumeric. Alphanumeric and underscores. Okay, here we go. To match a screen that contains only those occurrences or an empty string. This first without error expressions. Okay, so if board ID if contains, what am I doing? If board ID contains, is it expected? Contains does not exist on type string.
What the hell? Yeah, what happened?
Just trying to figure out how to check that. If string contains alpha numeric characters. Regex get the string, okay. Oh, this is done in Java. Regex create alphanumeric or not. Represent the starting of the string. Represent the alphanumeric from A to Z. Don't need. And then represent, we need these two. Whether everything is alphabetical. No, we don't need that. We just need this one.
All right, you're trying to create regex, right? So it's going to be small a to small z, then capital A to capital Z, and 0 to 9 plus dollar. No, not dollar.
Not the dollar, no.
So it's going to be
Presents
only
plus
the,
as well.
sorry.
The plus sign as well.
Don't think that the percent. It's going to be 62 characters. There are 62 characters only in the alphanumeric.
Yeah. So if I do regex, and then what was this? So it represents the starting of a string. Okay,
Do
so I
you
need,
like have to do regex, or do you want to try something else?
we can try anything as
Oh,
long
right.
as it works.
Then just write let characters. Just make a character. Literally, Java has a is alphanumeric function. Oh, sorry, JavaScript. I'll just tell you. String is alphanumeric. Yes. Okay, so people are using regex. Or what you can do is you can just write a string from A to Z small, A to Z capital, all the letters, and 1 2 0 1 2 3 4 5, and then do a in.
Hang on a minute. Okay, so come back here. So that would be the start of the string. And then we need the brackets, A to Z. Actually, I'm gonna type that.
There's a Stack Overflow answer on this as well.
Can you post me the link?
Yes, please. I'll do that. There you go.
0.
I think this will help.
Best way to regex. You can use this regex. Okay, cool. So best way to do alphanumeric check in JavaScript. Cool. So basically, this is the I forgot the regex. To be honest.
Even I don't remember.
Yeah, I need to go and have a look what exactly these stand for. Right. So this would be catching group. No, I don't need you. Cheat sheet. Okay. So I
Hmm.
in right at the end Where's I? Eyes, nose, and hair. Wow. Pattern setting. My patterns. Regex factoring character classes. Is I in regex? Oh, okay. It's in case sensitive, so
Oh,
even if it's uppercase, it will take it.
okay. Cool.
So basically, was saying that is the style of the string. The characters should be all lowercase. Actually, we only want lowercase, so I'll remove the I.
Yeah. Yeah.
Characters should always be A to Z and then numbers 0 to 9, as in 0 to 9, and then plus. What does plus mean?
It just means and. In
Okay,
just plus means and.
and the dollar sign?
I think dollar sign is standard.
I mean in regex. Shortened are special things. Question, quick expression. Okay, yeah, you're right. It was the end, and
Yeah.
then the plus sign. Do you know what the plus sign is?
You can do a control F and see. Just Google it and we'll be sure.
What is plus
So it should be and.
in regex? X. Repeat. These symbols are as repeaters and to tell
There
the
go the plus
computer.
symbol.
Huh?
There is the plus
The
symbol.
plus symbol. It tells the computer to repeat the preceding character or at least one or more times.
Alright, yeah. So what plus does is that it gives you an infinite combination. If you do even like A B plus, it's gonna give you an infinite combination of A and B's.
Okay, right. That so basically a repeat more than once one occurrence of a letter or digit.
Yes. Yeah.
Okay, right. That makes sense. All right, cool. So that's there. If contains. Also contains method.
I think it's just dot contains. String dot contains.
Is it?
Yeah. You can still check it. I just think so.
Apparently it's not taking that.
Or you
String dog. Okay. I need to include these brackets as well.
I think it should be character dot contains then, not board ID
Mm,
dot contains.
Really?
Yeah, because the
Let's check.
characters don't contain them, right? Not the board ID.
No,
See,
but we need to.
no. So in the example in W3 schools, the dot like str includes str is the bigger string, like the superset, and world is the subset. So all the alphanumeric characters is the superset, and our board ID is going to be the subset.
So basically, here what we are saying is that check if this character
Has
contains
no the other way around.
this.
Check if
Yeah.
whatever in the bracket is has ever been present in the character.
So in this way.
Yep, and it should be includes. I don't. Yeah. I think in after if open the brackets, please. It's not it's not Python. Yep. Go down and do the required do res.status 404, res.10, that
Hang on a minute. If includes that one. Actually, I'll do this.
Yep.
To finish it off there and then.
Hmm?
Then just res dot send status
400 please.
404.
Yeah, sorry, yeah. And res.send
That's the
board
one.
ID, board ID, or like formatting. I don't know, like something. For board ID isn't alphanumeric or something.
Board ID what? Sorry?
Bold, just write board ID isn't alphanumeric. Or just give it a
Yeah,
number.
yeah. Stringify. Board ID isn't valid.
Yeah, yeah, that makes more
A bit
sense.
more precise. As in a bit more
Yeah.
generic.
For sure.
Alright. Cool. So we'll take this board ID, check this one. These are the characters that is checking. So it would ask that if these characters include in this board ID.
And the not of that.
If it doesn't, then come in that one and bugger off.
Yes, sir.
It doesn't need it.
Obviously.
Brilliant. So let's give this a go.
Wait one sec.
Or not?
Also, after if, um, just write do a double and, or just do an and inside the if statement,
Uh-huh.
and do board ID dot length equal to 16 or triple equal to. I'm not sure what you do, but just add a length.
So the length would be okay, yeah. Alright. It would be triple equals to 16, was it?
I think it's 16. Can you check, please? I'm pretty positive it's 16, but you can just check in the code though.
Hang on. I'll just check it here.
16 characters. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah, 16 characters. Cool. 16. If that isn't there,
Length is not a constant. That's a function, so you have to put double brackets.
yeah.
Only in arrays length is a constant.
Yeah, absolutely. So if that's not, so I would probably do this.
No, that looks fine, right? Like, because if
No.
length is fine,
Yeah.
the character also includes the not of that, then only it's gonna come.
Yeah, but this not
Oh wait,
is,
make it or instead of and. Make
hang on a minute. I'm just checking the brackets. Are they on point? And this seems to be on point.
or
Yeah,
just
so,
or yeah.
oh, alright.
Hmm.
Cool. Wow. I actually remembered the O sign. I'm actually proud of myself.
Nice.
I'm becoming a good programmer now, I can tell.
That's good.
Just remembering the O sign. Wow, a big achievement.
Oh boy.
Let's see if this works.
Hmm. Yep. Deploy, please. Did you forget you have a faster computer?
Yes, I did.
Today in my personal time, I made a CI/CD using Circle CI. That was
Oh,
actually
fantastic.
yeah,
How did it go?
pretty good actually. Yeah, it was fine. Like I wrote a config file to do.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
So was that config file for that one?
No, it was something else. But like when we deploy this on CI/CD,
Mhm.
um, which we probably should really soon because
Yeah.
doing SAM build every time is just kind of annoying. You can just do
Mhm.
git push and it'll be built itself.
Yeah.
Then
True though.
we can write a config file for this,
Hmm. Hmm.
which is actually going to be
That's
fairly
fine.
simple. What do we need? Just npm install and then SAM build SAM
Yeah.
uh,
Yeah.
deploy.
Okay. So if I do this,
Yeah, that shouldn't work because it's
hang
not.
on a minute. Yes. So that should give me a 404. Right.
Maybe a
So
file or two better. I mean, at least it's going inside now.
yes, but it should actually give us 404 as
Yeah,
our
let's see what
code
the.
says.
I have a feeling I don't know how to use regex, so you probably have to take the lead in that.
I've um. Let's see.
Yep, random.
Okay. Wow, you are definitely faster than me. As in, I can tell your brain works a lot faster than me, though.
It's just uni. I'll say it again. Well, Tori Littlefield, how's it going? Tori's here.
Roll coders, what's happening? Tornado field to the moon. Oh yes, floating in the space, but still coding. Alright, we're in CloudWatch. Alright, which one? Where did we mess up this time? Correct. Okay. So that one is no function. Includes. What did I do? Includes. Right. When it returns true. Oh, right. I forgot. It's a string. So is that not a string as well? It is a string.
Oh, that's not a string. That's a string.
It is a string. Characters. Oh, is in this way? It must be.
That could be.
Let's try that again.
Yes, Tori. I'm not sure about the spamming, but so then Tori sent me a little video on securing the API on Slack. So we can actually give it a try on the stream once we are done with the validations.
Yeah,
And
definitely.
yep,
We will
so,
do that.
Tori, you might want to check your Slack as well. Okay. Deploy. Yes.
Okay, that's there. Come on, come on, come on. You can do this. You can do this. Okay, let's do this again and see what
Oh, really?
happens.
Yeah, I didn't send the notification. I thought it'll be kind of rude to send a notification. But yeah, it could be something on the Slack notifications on the other side. Cool, that works.
Bingo. Yeah, so that's
Can you
working
give it
now.
can you give it a dollar sign with 16 characters, please? Because it's not actually the regex we are testing right now.
A dollar
You're just
sign with the 16 characters.
you're just testing the board length property. Can you just write 16, 15 characters there? Go back to the board ID. No, 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 no. Leave it 16.
Yeah.
Go to Postman. Test it properly.
Oh, right.
Right now, you're only testing the length property. You haven't
Too
actually
fast.
given a dollar
Too
sign to
fast. Too furious, man. Too fast. Too furious.
it. Now, just
4,
write 15 characters.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
You
4,
know, this might be a problem.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
And a dollar sign.
16. And a dollar sign
Yeah, just
in
this.
that way.
Yep. Okay, now give it an actual board. It won't work. I'll tell you why. Yeah, give it an actual board. It's
I
like,
think
yeah,
these are
yeah.
more 16.
Nah, okay.
I'm pretty sure.
All right, yeah. But like, let's give it a
4,
board.
8, 12. It won't work.
How many are there? Yeah, how
Yeah.
many are there?
They
2,
are 3, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
could be 32 then.
Probably. I lost count.
Sorry, I'm so
4, hang on. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32.
Wait, one second. Go in the code. Search the word 32. Just do
In
control F.
this,
Yeah, control F. And 32.
why are we doing this?
I think we have specified it somewhere because I remember seeing it in the code.
Nope, there's no 32 there.
Just search UU. Right, UU.
UU,
Hmm. Oh, so it's UU ID 4, V4. Let's see. UU.
which is 32.
I'm just finding it.
UUID V4 length.
Yeah, it's 32. This one
Yeah,
is 32.
32 base.
The one which you saw was version 1. That's 16 base. So
Where
just
did
change
it
the
go?
length to 32. Yeah, there you go. Deploy again.
Honestly, if I could fish, I could go back and do one thing with my brain unit. Just get your kind of speed now, that's all.
I mean, you
As in,
can ask a good educator, right? Like you can do a Udemy course or something.
I know, but my as in it's natural that my processing speed is a bit slower. I've observed that.
I think like it could be because you're kind of used to working with a particular stack in your work.
Or probably we don't have too much pressure at all, and in uni you've got all these tight deadlines, and you probably guys have to time yourself as well.
Yeah, that's
Doing
true.
that. So I'm thinking it might be that.
Hmm. So this is my friend Anj. He says, "Thanks for helping me code, guys. I learned coding because of you."
Oh, really appreciate that. And Lufra
No, he's just kidding. He's a
could.
civil engineer.
Oh, okay. Cool.
The closest they get to coding is CAD and stuff.
Ah, okay, I see. So we've deployed it. Yeah, cool. So now I'm gonna search this one. It should work.
Tori suggests that to you, maybe you need to set up autoscaler and load balancer. Um, Tori, I think that's something like on a cloud side which we are looking at currently, like including CI/CD and all these services. So as soon as we're done validating the board, we're gonna make the backend stable. That means we're gonna have autoscaler. That means we're gonna have API security and cores configured properly. Does that sound like a plan, Zin? Yeah, so that's
Yes,
gonna happen.
definitely does.
I'll tell you why that's happening. Because
Mm-hmm.
dash is a special character.
So that means that we can't include. Okay. So dash isn't
Y-
in this.
Yeah, so you'll have to include a combination. Go to regex documentation. I think it's Client Star. It's called Client Star, if I'm not wrong.
Project for
Just like
special
no, it's not.
characters. Is
It's not
this?
actually adding a special character. We just um, need to add one particular more character, and I think it's done through dot.
Projects. A dot. You're saying?
I think so.
Any character except line A dot C break. What?
No, that means.
Any characters except.
Right. No, this
Hang on a
document.
minute.
uh,
How to include
Only one character.
in projects. Oh, they just have one character only.
Yeah, we need
How
to add
to
one more character. That's all we need to do.
character to regex.
I think, Zen, I think we can just write it there. Oh yeah, enter this and but
Huh?
yeah, so you can just do a comma and write it there. Yeah, so
Use
dot.
a dot.
Yeah.
So basically how it will be example A dot C.
Alright. I think I got it. Um, go to VS Code and just write
Yeah.
in the regex before the plus inside the brackets
Hmm.
write dot hyphen and actually copy this regex expression.
Mhm.
Go to Google
Mhm.
and write regex tester. Yep, open anyone actually. Paste our expression here. Yep, paste one of the board IDs, please.
Match one.
Okay, yeah, that's fine then.
Yeah, that works apparently.
Mhm.
Cool. Good job, man.
Thank you. Tori Littlefield says, I am new to AWS, so I have no idea what's going on. This cloud formation is like a magic wand, it seems. Um, AWS has a lot of features. Like it can be a little intimidating. It's not like GitHub that you can just do pull git push.
Exactly.
It has a lot more going on. So I think the catch is to like start with simpler services like S3 or
Yeah.
Root 53, like or even Amplify. Like these are the services which are fairly simple, and then you can move towards like CloudFormation or
Hmm.
apps or CI/CD if you want to go in that path.
Absolutely.
Okay, I think now it should work. I think so.
Yeah, I've got a pretty good feeling as well
Hmm.
about this.
Go to Chrome. Yeah, 2 yes here. So, like Tori, there's a lot of hype about CDK happening this time, but um, like if you want to start with like serverless, if you're really into serverless, like SAM is a good place to start. Also because it exposes you to things like CloudFormation and CloudWatch. But if you wanna go to something like a bit more complicated, then CDK offers way more features for sure. Huh, very interesting.
Hang
Right.
on a minute. What? Internal server error now.
Huh.
Okay. Because that wasn't
Can
correct.
you remove all the minuses and then do it?
All the what?
Just copy one board ID and paste it. And instead of a minus, just write any character. No, not that one, not that one. Like an actual C or B, like see, let's see if it works. Yeah.
It won't. Because
Okay.
this isn't present there.
No.
Okay.
It's not about that. I think it's not even going in. This should be a valid board according to our um thing. It's 32 characters and only alphanumeric, but I don't think we're using regex properly then.
Yeah, probably. Need to have a look at this one.
Let's see how to
Dot.
use.
We'll go to Google and take a bit of Google's help. Plus one or more times. Represent. How to add particular.
Oh, I think then
Character.
instead of includes, I think you need to do
Contains
no test.
test.
Yeah, type regex test in Google.
Interesting.
Regex test JS. I think that's the only test. TES. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. So this guy created a new regex with the whole thing, like with the class regex. Then he did regex.test. Can you type in our thing? Just type in our thing there, and let's do it. Type in our regex expression. Yeah. Yes.
What do you mean?
Just
I did.
copy our regex in expression line 64. Yep. Copy please, and go to Google Chrome. No. Go to Chrome. Go to Chrome. Paste it on line number 3 inside. Yeah. Yep. And in the test, line number 6, paste one of the board ID from Postman. Yes, please.
Invalid or unexpected token.
I think it's something like line 3. Yeah. Oh, interesting. Isn't it? Oh, yeah. That should be it.
False zero. Hang on.
Yes.
Last index test is this one. True.
No, that's not ours.
True
Ours is
one.
first. Ours is false.
How
Now,
was?
remove all the minuses now from the string.
Uh-huh.
Yep, test it now. Wait. Okay, remove dot minus where I told you to. Remove it. Yep, test it now. What?
It says false.
It shouldn't say false. It should say true. Very interesting.
I'm pretty sure we're doing something incorrectly here.
But like,
Hang on a minute. I'm gonna test this. Oh, where did that go? Regex.
tester.
Huh? This wasn't the one. This was the one. Your reg expression here. Okay, so if we do this, and then we paste in this ID, match one, so that matches. So if we remove this, your regular expression doesn't match the subject string, okay? So this doesn't
Okay.
match it. But if we,
I got a link that might really help.
huh?
I got a link that might be helpful. Wow, it's 10:30 already.
Are
Literally,
you serious?
we just started.
Exactly my point. What?
Yes.
I thought it was only 10 by now.
Bruh.
Oh, look at that, man. Okay, note however, we will only match on the input with the length of 1. Okay, we don't need this. What's this underscore for?
We don't need the underscore, we just need a dash. And I think we need the capital A to capital Z.
Are you sure?
I'm pretty
I'll
positive because
try
we did.
that one.
Yeah, just try this regex in Safari. Oh, sorry, Mozilla. Take this regex. Yep. And just. Oh, did you close the tab?
No.
Oh, you didn't. Yeah. Not here. In the tab beside this. Yep. Yep. It's the regex.
Uh-huh.
Yep. Do give it in quotes, I guess.
Alright.
And underscore, remove underscore from the regex. Yep. Let's do it now.
Don't think it will work still.
Wow.
Because,
Yeah.
hang on, I'll get the other one.
Oh, yeah.
proper one
Yeah. The problem.
that didn't have the dash in there.
That's true.
False.
Wow.
Test, hang on. Console 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me do these. Actually, you know what I'm gonna do?
Hmm.
I'm gonna remove them one by one to see if this creates anything.
Just write a letter A, small a, and see if that's true. If that's not true, then there's something really wrong. No, no.
In this
Control.
way?
Yeah, Control Z all of this.
Come on.
Yeah, Control Z again. Bring it back to original
There.
state then. Now more Control Z, can you?
There we go.
That's not what.
That's
That's
so
not.
recent. Okay, hang on a minute. I'll just
Yes, copy this.
full.
Oh, I know. Paste it then. Don't give that forward slash. And type just A in the str in line 6. Line 6. Oh yeah, that's fine. Yeah, test it. Okay, cool. That works now. So now give it our board name, please. Give it the board name or board ID, sorry, from Postman.
I'm still catching up, man. I'm still catching up.
Yeah, sorry. Not this one.
You have no idea how much I admire your speed, man. As in, I just wish I
There
could
you go.
work in that way as well.
Oh, you missed it again.
Yeah, there we
Yeah.
go.
Paste on line number 6 in double quotes, please. Tori's like, okay, that works. Tori's like, Zen, that's how I take a breath. Okay, let's implement this quickly.
Okay, so this would be our
No,
regex.
just copy the whole thing. Copy the whole thing. The whole statement. Because we need the regex object. Yes. Now it should work.
Character.
Instead of character, just remove the whole line. Yep.
That one
And
and
regex.guest board ID.
regex dot. Oh. Test board ID. Cool.
Okay. That's all it is.
Cool. And now should we test it? Yes, we should.
Yep. Deployment time.
No save as. Noticing how that's how I take a breath. Honestly, man. You know?
You're good.
Come on, Zane. Focus.
Come on, Zen, you got this.
Okay, let this work and then we can call it a day. Actually, call it a night. Day.
Same difference during lockdown. Is it lockdown where you're living, Tori?
Is it Melbourne as well, I think?
Definitely not fast and easily frustrated. So usually I'm also breaking back. That's how it should be.
Okay, so get the board.
Yes, please.
And copy. This should give us the board. What? Come on.
Wait a minute. Interesting.
I think it should be this underscore par here.
Oh, yeah, remove the underscore. And we need a
Hold
mic.
on.
Yeah. Okay, last deployment. If it doesn't work, it doesn't work.
Exactly. I'm just gonna say the same. Ah, alright. So he's not in Melbourne. Right. I know where he is.
That sounds really creepy.
Huh?
Sounds really creepy. And that's cool. Story, do you work software dev as well? Like,
I like this son of that Tory. Yeah, we are. Definitely. Alright, let's try this geezer now.
yes.
Okay, cool. Call and I.
Can you show me the error at least?
Ah, come on, come on.
We can just see the error and let it go.
When you see the error, you're gonna say, I know what that is. Go back to the code, do this, and let's try again.
Nah. Just I just want to sleep properly. That's all.
Really? Wow. Wow, I like your diction.
Okay.
What?
Oh, nice story. Best of luck for that. Sounds like exciting. Sounds really exciting.
Port ID length is not a function.
That is literally impossible. Really? Is that
Length.
how in string length in JS? Let's see. Oh wow, Kanji was wrong. Sorry.
That's alright. I didn't know it was in that way as well. But matter of fact, I actually typed it in that way
Yeah,
though
like by
first.
default, your brain
Mm.
was like, that's how it works.
I was like, okay, he's talking with. I can sense the confidence how he's talking. Oh, I know how that is, so I might as well go with him. But yeah, I never
Yeah.
mind.
So
We
now you know
learn. We
in
always learn.
JavaScript length is a constant, not a function.
Yeah. See, this is exactly what I told you was gonna happen. We know what that was. Fix it and then try again.
Yep. That's how it's addictive, bro.
Um, he's looking for first full-time broadcasting.
That's actually pretty cool. Maybe you should come down to Melbourne. Melbourne has a good dev community. But like even if Melbourne has good dev community, right? Like the Australian tech market is so dead. Like I look for jobs on LinkedIn, and
Mm-hmm.
if I just do Silicon Valley, there's gonna be more jobs. Okay, that works. That's pretty good. If I
Oh,
do just Silicon Valley on LinkedIn, there's gonna be more jobs than the entirety of Asia Pacific. It's a good joke. I think when are you opening? I mean, I think we're opening on 70% vaccination. I'm getting my vaccine. I'm getting my vaccine tomorrow, so let's see. Have you got your
uh,
first dose then?
yeah, already have. Due for my second next month.
All
Let's
right,
see how it
nice.
go. All right, that's it. I'm not going any further than
Yo,
this.
one sec. Just put a dollar
No, no,
sign.
dude. It's
Yes.
10:45 already.
and just mess with the length. Fix the dollar sign. Yes. Yeah. Um.
Congratulations. We will have to come back tomorrow
Yeah.
now.
That's all right. At least it works partially.
Exactly. Which is really good. So once the positive scenario is done, the other scenario still has to work. So we will be coming back to that tomorrow.
Yes. Cool. Thanks, guys, for joining. I think we made good progress today for the using regex. My first time using it in JS. Was it your first time as well, Sam?
I wouldn't say first time, but after ages, yes.
All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, it was pretty fun. No, I like it.
It was
Cool.
perfect, guys. See you back here tomorrow, same time, same place.
And same task.
There we go. Have a good night, lads.
Good night. Cheers.
See you later.